Hey there! You're gaining access to the TimelyCare 24/7 virtual health and well-being platform. Accessing virtual care is easy. Simply download the app on a mobile device or log in at TimelyCare.com. To get started, create a profile, choose the care you need, and get connected with one of our diverse qualified providers who is trained using evidence-based clinical care guidelines designed specifically for college students. You can select on-demand support to see a provider right away, or scheduled support to select a provider and a date and time that works with your calendar. TimelyCare services are chosen by your school, for your school. Our complete care package includes mental health, medical care, health coaching, psychiatry, and self-care content. But support goes beyond your connection with a provider. Our care coordinators help make sure you are supported both before and after a visit. Providers share care summaries back to campus healthcare resources for continuity of care and care progression. TimelyCare gives students access to the virtual care they need at no cost. That's right, it's free. No insurance needed. It's 24/7 equitable care from anywhere. TimelyCare, it's for students for free. Get started by visiting TimelyCare.com or download the TimelyCare app.